Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we'll do a multiple time frame analysis for the Bitcoin. However, we've got interesting scenario and stay tuned up until the end of this video. But before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. We've got a day and 12 hour to close the current weekly candle, and as long as the bulls manage to keep today's and the next week's candle above 34,500 levels, then the weekly time frame will be a bit safe and we will stay inside the consolidation level. However, bear in your mind, this is one after another 5 week we've got bearish candle. After this consolidation, as long as we hold the 34,000 level. Having said that, we need to move on to a daily time frame resistance levels. Based on a daily time frame, we have to clear $42,500, $43,000 clear breakout or claim it as a support, then the daily time frame will provide us a bullish setup. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about this scenario at this stage. As long as we stay above $34,000 under the weekly time frame and consolidate a bit based on a daily as well as the other higher time frames around here, and then we will do a further analysis in the coming days. So the levels are clear above 42.5, 43,000 for the bullish scenario, but as I said, it is very early for us to talk about it. But the support based on a higher time frame, 34,000, is extremely important on a weekly as well as the daily time frames. So the daily time frame at this stage heavily under the bear's control. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we do a further analysis, I would like to draw your attention to the recent posts. Exactly an hour ago, before FOMC meeting, that I was saying, cut the noise and trade the charts only. If you follow the support and resistance levels, you will be one step ahead of the market. And if you shorted from 48,000, bear in your mind $48,000 were strong resistance, and then 45,500 for the conservative traders that provided a short setup, which was from the smart money we're going to look at in a minute. And there was no reason to close and panic FOMC meeting, and still we didn't get a long setup yet. So as I said, are you still worrying about the FOMC? We were talking about this meeting 2021 November, December, as well as in 2022 January meeting, February, March, and I was talking about exactly the same thing in May FOMC meeting. As long as you trade the chart will tell you the actual scenario. As you can see, we've got a perfect rejection right from $48,000, which was a strong resistance. At these levels, we've been following since the mid of January, over 4 months. And then the next level that I was talking about, $45,500. As soon as we lost, the market started dumping all the way up to this level. And as you can see, from $48,000, we saw 20% to all the way up to 25% dump in the market. However, if you're a conservative trader, as I said, from $45,500, we saw 18 to 22% dump in the market. So we had this falling wedge based on a 4-hour time frame, as well as these are the daily time frame falling wedge, and both of them are confluence with this upper line of this falling wedge resistance. And we were talking about this level, $39,000, based on a 2-hour as well as the 1-hour time frame. We were expecting to get the fake out from this level, and then, which I was talking about in the Twitter, give them a hope and bullish setup and hunt those stops. So I was talking about 4-hour falling wedge broke out. I was asking, is that bullish? And I was talking about, we had a fake out based on a 2-hour time frame, and now time to stop hunt falling wedge traders. After less than 24 hours, as you can see, falling wedge as mentioned stop hunted. You guys are like an open book, I was saying, and easy to read your moves before you take any action in this market. So as you can see, we broke the local resistance, and we also broke the falling wedge. And then with a 4-hour candle, we took all the stop losses. And if I'm not mistaken, that day we had over 400 million liquidation in the market. So the lesson is here, you have to be careful with these meme patterns. And another lesson is, if you shorted right from the strong resistance or from 45,500 level, if you exited from the market and there is no long setup provided. So I warned in this region, first warning came at around strong resistance, 45.5. And then next warning came at around $43,000. And also I provided 3 warnings at around $40,000 and $41,000. So as you can see, last 4-hour candle was a brutal If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. 3 hours ago, I also mentioned that $35,855 is a must protect level based on a mid time frame if we want to go and test $37,000 and $37,500. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. So as I said, we've got support level, which we are holding and above at the moment, and we closed another 4 hour and mid-daily time frame above that support level. In order to be bullish, first resistance, we've got $37,537, which is lower time frame resistance level. However, in order to be bullish, we have to clear $39,000. Without claiming this level, it is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a 4 hour time frame. Moving on to 2 hour time frame. As long as we're going to be above $37,900, ideally $38,000, and then the next resistance that Bulls has to challenge is going to be $39,000, with the one condition that we have to hold the support which I mentioned earlier on. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.